Guys, welcome back to another video. Here we are going to the session. We are going to Portland, but we have to pass through a place called St. Thomas, and I mean over there Moran Bay. And you know, say night Tyrone Studio vlog already, we have to do at the market, and I mean so this is about the Moran Bay market, guys. I'll go inside, I'm going to see if I can see some stuff where probably I'm going to probably buy something, you know what I mean? But at the market this right or so I'm up on the street out here. Portland is a destination still, but we have to pass through Moran Bay. So that are going right now, you see? So here we stay tuned, you know. Don't skip off my video. You know what I mean? And if you're new to the channel, yo, just hit it and subscribe. Hit a like, you see it? Because we're out here. We are doing the right thing, you see me? Alright guys, so yeah, we're currently in a juicy beef. Father buy some patty now still, you see me, when him drop a patty then I go show now. So a juicy beef there right now in a Moran Bay. Me are telling the truth, first me from Moran Bay from I live in Jamaica. no, second time. But the first time I used to go Edna, but this is the second time since me actually tour Moran Bay. But on Moran Bay, the final stop, Portland still, you see me, but when you travel on public transportation, which is the best vibes, you have to pass through Moran Bay and then there's a Port Moran and a bag of things. So that's going on right now. But we'll grab some food still, and you know, say, I say road tour go on there, you see, food after the funny thing. So stay tuned for the next one. We'll go up the road and see if we can go to the market and see if we can get some market products. So it's a good one. Yeah. Put one in the hand, you put it on here. Yeah. Big up somebody on the camera now, my friend. Big up somebody on the camera now. Talk to them, man. You know, say, mommy, if you say something. Auntie. Yeah? Yeah? So, who talk? Who talk? Let me see, what you name, man? Julene? Alright. Yeah. She a big up everybody. Who are Moran Bay crew. Yeah, we're out here, man. Yeah, so people, we get the patty now. You know what I mean? We get some beef patties right here, so that it are going, you know what I mean? Good customer service, you know. Let me see them. Look at people, let me see what I go on. See big boss here, you know, man. My daddy this, you know, me and him out here, you know. You know what I mean? So, yeah, people. Alright, take care, Julie. Nice to meet you. Alright. Yeah, so we're going to sample him patty later. In a couple minutes time. Alright, so people, we are moving out of Juicy Beef right now. We're going to go up the road. So we're going for the rest of the day. Sticky, big up yourself, see? Alright. So yeah. Moran Bay crew. We like how Moran Bay look. It's a very small town. I must say very, very small. However, the energy here to make the town feel big, you know what I mean? So that's the thing. And out here so many artists come from at the same time, so yo, we want to enjoy tour still, you know what I mean? And when you reach a Portland, we're more rural, we're not gonna see what I go on. So here we stay tuned, see? Yeah guys, here we go on. We are walking towards I think at the bus park now.
Moran Bay.
Yeah, Moran Bay bus park. See, generally, you know, for morning, I'm not really saying nothing on the camera. I'm just sitting on the camera for people.
Yo, Job, you know what I'm saying? I'm in the general roll to a place, you know, my place, you know.
Yeah.
While you up in the town, you know what time it is.
Yeah.
So, I want a fresh I come to
yeah.
Understand?
So we're out here, you see it? We're out here and it's a go on, you know what I mean? The place peaceful still, but not like no bag of nice now out here yet.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? So yo, a taxi we are going to take right now, it's a bus or a taxi, one of them. It go Portland. So that's the vibe right now. So here we want to stay tuned, you see it? And if you don't like the video yet, give the video a thumbs up, you know what I mean? Alright, that's it. Alright guys, so we make a quick stop right now. The driver have to run go outside, you know what I mean? So here we are. This is the town of Portmoran, right? So a Portmoran today right now. So it's a very small town. We have a gas station. So if anybody have passed through Portmoran, there's a gas station right here, Liquor Ruby's gas station. So that's the vibes right now. Driver gonna start out a liquor business. So we just give a quick stop. We see what go on right there, so yo, it's a deep rural place. This man I tell you, the place well bushy. The vegetation is so awesome, you know what I mean? And we can't wait to reach Portland. We see the whole vibes up there still, you know what I mean? So right I go on now, you know what I mean? So depending on what my little brother do, because I him gonna link up and make him carry go the river. So I don't know if I'm gonna cook no food for us still, hopefully. I don't know if my chef up something for us still, but this is going for the Portmoran. The port I do, yeah. So I saw the place, you know what I mean? Well, bushy out here cool still. Rather than Portmore really hot and term. And like Kingston really low and flat and hot. Center must still. But look up the road still. Look up the road. Yeah. Alright, so guys, we are moving off from Portmoran town right now. And back on the street again. The big bad driver, you see it? See boss over here. So. Yeah man, I see it, big bad driver. I know the road, you see it. So. We are going to hold out another bus here still. If you reach this far in the video, still more want to get it alive. To give video and talk. Come make me know no feel about the whole experience here, you know what I mean? Because a fun still and no for one probably never know them place until we come at them place here. Until the studio begin out here. So more want to support the video.
Alright.
You know what I mean? Support the video.
Yeah.
Alright guys, here we go on. But right now, still in St. Thomas and currently they have one place called Golden Grove. That's how the driver tell me a while ago, you know what I mean? So may I give you a little scope of the place. Big up. Yeah. So guys, here we are, Golden Grove, Golden Grove. You know what I mean? So you see we can get a little familiarity with the people, them. You know what I mean? So we're out here while they drive over the starting gas. We're just plugging it, see me? So big up yourself, Ross. Manners and respect, manners and oh yeah. And so how much you sell it for? 170. Ready? 170? Give me one of them. I don't want no food in there. Here, just some ice soup. So big up somebody on the camera and I'm out here now.
Right now, because all I'm bridging upon the corner with support.
Yeah.
See next week together there was a ton and big up my daughter.
Yeah.
Big up all you out there, see me?
Yeah, my G.
Subscribe to it, because you're going to one link, you know.
Yeah,
man, so I go on.
Yeah.
So your money coming, you know.
Yeah, this is a money pot. You hear that, people? Master God. Hey, me over this time, I say, yo, I have a pass show.
Brother, show them what I want.
Link your ass in it. Yeah. Why not this, boy?
Watch out now.
Yeah.
Watch out, brother. See, you can't them, man.
Yeah.
2 bills, you know.
Yeah.
2 bills, I do it, you know. Yeah. You just go on, no pay me, just control it.
Yeah.
Run it, man.
Yeah.
All that vibes, because the vibes right.
Yeah. You know, not true, but you're singer. You look like a singer in a job sitting up with her.
John was that.
Just sit up with
her.
Before you're supposed to go.
You ain't that here, they ain't gonna sleep.
You ain't gonna sleep.
You don't wake up here now, man. The next time we have passed through, everything will go right.
People see soup, you know, authentic.
Yeah, man.
Authentic.
Pretty man. Man, easy me do.
Oh.
That's why the house. We pay for that.
Yeah.
Hold them.
Yeah.
Accommodation.
Yeah. People, I look this man alive with that. Man, give me a soup. If you say it on the house, you get me. I first me to this up here.
Yeah, man.
See it, your people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm a try.
Yeah, man.
I try soup.
On you. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Soup, yeah, man. Good people. Your body your friend.
Yeah, man. Flavor, man.
You don't have too much pepper.
No salt.
You know salt. You know fresh. You get me? I say,
man,
I'm see you have your grace cut new glue over here, so where you spice it up.
Yeah, man,
You know what I mean? So yo, Ras, big up yourself, you know. Big up yourself, you know, out here, you know. I chew me in the bus now, I'm grab a card still. Yeah.
Everything, so. Pass back, man. You make sure it's
I have to come back. Because I live on the road, yeah? Alright, big up yourself, yeah. Alright, guys. I head over back to the bus. Yeah. No man, I'm drinking. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm going back in the bus drive and move off you know, so when I reach near to reach falls, I'm going to show you where I'm going. But I'm telling you, it's so bad. You know what I mean? I say rate style, you know, when you go to Africa, you have to love people, like energy, you see it. So I move off and now drive a jack back in, you see it. Between Portland and St. Thomas, you know what I mean? So I zoom up right there, so yeah. So we reach Portland and hi. Yeah, so guys, we entering up Portland, you see it? So right there, so we're there now, just past the border a while ago, you know what I mean? So adventure just begin. So there's a continuation of the whole journey still. You know what I mean? So I take on along with me. For those who haven't been to Portland or St. Thomas, well, you have to see it to them. So it's the next road is under construction. Lord of mercy. Slide right just to come. The sea come up. Right there, so.
More like a beach.
Oh, it's a beach there?
Yeah, under the rock.
Oh. Man.
First coming there, hectares river and
okay. Yeah that guys, so hectares river the first community we're gonna pass through. We enter into Portland, you know what I mean? So the driver give me some very valuable information here. I mean, hectares river. What's the name of the community here? Name of the community? Oh, I say please?
Yeah,
oh. So they must get a name for the river. It's a river actually run through, so them call it place hectares river.
Yeah, so we come here.
Oh, so guys.
I don't know where really a base off of.
Oh, we have to go research that part. About the hectares river community, these people. But we have one river run through, so that's not the hectares river either. Wow, but I say it name, so I just the first community where we have to go through. You know what I mean? Place look peaceful still. Nah, lie, look peaceful. Like a ball field along the other side. Huh? Yeah. So right beside the Apple Grove ball field over there, so. You know what I mean? It's a very beautiful community. Only thing I just road them but me I tell you the environment, the trees, the air, I mean it's so fresh out here. When you breathe them area, it don't feel like something will go poison you like the air when in the rural, not the urban area like Kingston and Portmore. Man, I tell you what, it's so cool and nice and simple, isn't it? Yeah, man. So my driver show me say up at the Happy Grove School. Yeah. Documentary this in the people. Yeah, if you don't have to use Google Maps, just watch a video. Just watch a video. You don't have to use Google Maps or whatever. If you want to reach a Portland, just watch the video. You see me? Alright, some other friend have come off now. So I give her some way, you see me? Alright, bye-bye. My friend I got. Oh yeah, one more friend. Hi, what's your name? Tell me your name. Alright. So I get one more friend on the front seat. On the drive. You know what I mean? So yo. So you going up. I mean, I respect people and I love people, so people always have to get involved in other thing, you know what I mean? What's it, Michaela? Oh, it's a nice name. Nice to meet you. I'm Tyrone here.
Thanks.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber and a vlogger. Now I pick up somebody on the camera. Yeah, go watch the video later and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, the name Tyrone Studio. Most of our service. Fine. You have on service? Yeah. Subscribe, man. So I do it here, so I just a vlogger. First time I come up Portland, I'm going to visit my brother. Yeah, so I just show the whole journey, you know what I mean? What I do and things that are going right now, what are going. Community pretty good, but I just road them bad. Did I go up there? I'm going to talk to her like she live a guy. Oh God, that's how you go still, isn't it? Fun and laughter, man, you know? In the midst of the pandemic, we have to have a little bit of fun.
Alright, come right there.
It can go on people, so right now driver make a one stop. You know what I mean? A very respectful driver. Him not drive too hard, him know how to go on, you see it? So here, but next stop, further up in our community. So here I'm in a taxi right now. What place are we going? Reach. We are going one place called Reach. I guess right next to Reach Falls at the same time. So we left out of the previous vehicle that we now, which was a little minibus. Driver, they are good driver, you see me? So Reach Falls we are going right now. You know the same community called Reach. Again, I say I link up a little general. You know what I mean? And the boss, they are seeing me, I go and chat it.
Wow, you think?
Yeah, we're out here do the right thing. You know what I mean? People want to tune into Tyrone Studio, and I want to know the right couple. You know what I mean? 1,000 likes for that video. You know what I mean? Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know what I mean? Share everything, comment. So I think get out there, more people can see it. Enjoy Island. Bring it to an exclusive. Them way there, isn't it? So, they're close still, so I'm gonna say vibes still. You know what I mean? So yeah, out until we reach us. Alright guys, so here we go. I just reached the destination. I'm there with the community name again, my boss. Reach me there, the Reach community. I'm gonna link up my brother here now and we're gonna walk down the falls shortly and catch a little bit of the Reach Falls, you know what I mean? Catch a little vibes down there, so I'm gonna see what I go on still. But here what I go on. The community of people, it's peaceful so till. I'm gonna show you the place still, I'm gonna scope the entire place and show you because yeah, people overseas who watch this at Jamaica, it's a Portland, this over there right now, and the place is calm and it's nice. A real country yard this still. We'll come back up here and do some cooking, you know. Yeah, run some cooking here, back this so. Go down in the river, go cook and have a vibe, a beer thing still. So I'm gonna talk to grandma you now, give grandma like a session. You And I mean, get a little interview, get to know her a little bit. So this we are going to know before we go down the falls. And I mean, probably going to get a part 2 for this, you know. We get grandma interview in our part 2 session. But we do everything we want to for our channel. And I mean, we don't really follow no rules, no law, no the right, so we just do what we have to do and just enjoy ourselves. And I mean, I know I enjoy myself too, so big up in them and stay tuned, you see. Yeah, people, yeah, what? Depending on where we are going there. We're fast name again, TJ. So we are going to reach fast, you see me? They out there with the general them now. And big up somebody on the camera and my boss. Yeah. Are you have a barber shop?
Yeah, barber shop.
You have a channel too?
Yes.
Yeah, big up your channel, man.
King Cut.
King Cut. Alright, I'll drop a link in the description box. You see? So they out there with the top man, top baller. And in my left hand, we are St. Catherine. To come and link that brother. Brother this. You know what I mean? And I'm going to take we down at the Reach Falls in the idea. I see it go still. Probably crowded now because you know say curfew ban lift already. And people out there doing whatever they want to do, you see. But Tyrone Studio have to give a peace site. Giving a tour of the place still, you know what I mean? Good old Portland. So that's up on the agenda still. So we're up on the road. We're walking down in a little stretcher, you know what I mean? See big boss out here. Yeah. Mind him own business, you know. But nah, stress him out, you see it? Yeah, really bad him out here. So yeah, watch what I go on. Look on the place. Look on the place, people. All the people them are there in New York or the Florida, or the UK, Canada. Yeah man, I'm sure now a little glimpse of the place, you know what I mean? From my perspective, you see it? Portland this year. Yeah man, and we have to forward back up still for all our part 3 or part 4, you know? So this will go on the ends and now, on the studio ends. I want to fill up the comment section, you know? You know what I mean? Tell me how the place pretty. Comment on the beautiful, lush vegetation of Portland. You know what I mean? It's a tourist destination plus movie shoot out here, so James Bond movie. James Bond, probably 2 of the scenes them from James Bond shoot in a Portland, yeah? You know what I mean? We have a bag of coconut tree there. So anytime you see James Bond movie, you know, say it's a part of Portland, get you nice see it. So it's a popular place still. You get me? I say, but I just a show now what I go on. Yeah man, when you reach near to the falls, I cut you a little shortcut. You see me, but when I got you a little shortcut near to the falls, I show now what I go on again, you see. You see one down here, sir? Yeah. Yeah, so out here people. Out here, you know what I mean? And we enjoy a cool breeze. We come out of a gutter. Out of the hustle and the bustle of the urban. You know what I mean? I come get some fresh air out in the, you know what I mean, out of east there. So yo, yeah man, we're going to river man, go take it, you see me so? Portland, you know. I would have read there. Yeah people, and the Reach Falls this. John was time. I forgot to do a part 2 of the video. I carry some clothes I can swim. Yeah man, I want to go upstream still in there, but I see it there, go still, you see it. But this is going down in the stream, you know. Oh God, look on the place that day. Yeah. Yeah, go see my boss. That's a cool laugh. Alright people, so these are the beautiful Reach Falls. And now me I'll go up top there so. But here what guys, here what. I'm there in a state right now where I never prepare for the swimming. So here what I go on. Say if you don't like that video and like the whole touring experience and I want to type in the chat, say me if do a part 2 of the Reach Falls. And now we can carry some of my friends, them some more people, and we can come all and swim. So drop a part 2 for this guy. So here what? Big up on yourself, you know. And I love how you tune into Tyrone Studio. I love how you see what go on. But here what? Can't go to the number today because of the time. You know what I mean? So we're going to do a part 2, you know what I mean? But I want to agree with me. Because I said we're 2 or 3 are gathered, you know, agreeing and touching anything. You know what I mean? It's a confirmation that. So we are looking out for your part 2, man. Put in the comment section, type. Let me know how you feel about the whole experience. Let me know if you love it, you know what I mean? Let me know if you want to see more of this. Touring Jamaica idea, you know what I mean? And visiting places and people. You know what I mean? And see what I go and look on the beautiful Reach Falls. You know what I mean? Without further ado, guys, I will see you guys in the next video, and I'm out.